Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the laptop keyboard is not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the device manager. So since we can't use the laptop keyboard, then we will be just using our on-screen keyboard whenever we have something to type. So first, please make a right click here in your Windows icon and then go click on the device manager option. And then once you click on that, you will get this kind of window coming up. Let me just expand and maximize this one. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to this keyboards option here, double click on that to expand. And here we have the standard PS/2 keyboard. All we need to do here is just to uh, uninstall this one. So to do that, simply make a right click on this uninstall device button here and then click on this uninstall button. And then once you're done with this one, just close this window and then we will proceed with going to the on-screen keyboard. So to do that, we will need to go to our settings. So please make a right click here again in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings button here. And then we will be going to the accessibility option here in the left pane. Please make a click on that and then scroll down. We will look for keyboard. Here we have it in the interaction. So please click on keyboard, sticky filter, toggle keys, and on-screen keyboard. Now look for the on-screen keyboard option and then just please turn this on by making a click on this button here. This is grayed out, that means it is off. So just please make a click on that to turn that on, and then let us close this window and just leave the on-screen keyboard here. So all we need to do is just to type the control panel words here in the Windows search tab. So just hover your cursor here in the Windows search tab and then make a tap on that so that we can type. And then here in the on-screen keyboard, type control CON, and then you will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on control panel and then let me just exit this on-screen keyboard here. All we need to do is just to go to the ease of access. If you're not getting this kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to this view by option, click on the category option there, and then you will get the same window just like this one. So please go to this ease of access option, and then once you are here, all you need to do is just to click on the change how your keyboard works. And then once you click on that, you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to make sure that you have turned on the filter keys. So we will be looking for filter keys, this one. Please turn it on just by clicking on the box before it, and then it will be checked. And then click on the setup filter keys. So this is in blue color. So please make a click on that and then you will get this kind of window. We have the setup filter keys. All we need to do is just to click on or turn on filter keys here, this one. And then once you have done that, please click on apply and then click on OK. And then once you have done that, let us now close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. And then after the restart, once you're back, please go again to the control panel. And if your keyboard is still not working, then we will need to go again to this Windows search tab here. And there's no need to make the on-screen keyboard come up because it is already in the recent option, the control panel. So please just make a click on the control panel option there. Click again the ease of access option. So we will be going to disable all the options that we have enabled. So let's just go again to the location that we have just open. So please go again with the change how your keyboard works, and then since we have turned on this option, please uncheck that one, click on setup filter keys, and then we will uncheck this one also, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you will see that the problem is now fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.